Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, November the 4th, 2023, already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic and this one, yes, the binary. It's binary time. And this one will be number 7391. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 We have a double O here. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. And double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. And between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then. Well. Now I'm stuck. Oh no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Then. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5, the 5th one there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, oh, between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's, and between two O's comes a 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 minutes. We have solved this within 5 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. With no comparing. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.